To make money online as an affiliate marketer, you really need to provide value. And a lot of people on Instagram and TikTok telling you how to be an affiliate marketer leave that part out. They're like, go sign up for an affiliate marketplace, grab a link, promote it, paste it online, get people to sign up. You'll make all this money. Well, what they leave out is that you're not helping anybody. Nobody's just going to click your random link just for fun, right? Oh, I think I'll buy this product. Oh, this person's promoting it right now. I think I'll pick it, right? I think I'll click on it and buy it. Doesn't happen that way. That's why everybody fails in affiliate marketing, is because they're operating on horrible advice. All right. What did you provide of value to the person that's watching your content? So for years, I've made content that you basically product review videos on YouTube. And the value I'm providing is somebody's looking to solve a problem. They're looking to find out about a piece of software that they're getting ready to buy, or a course that they're getting ready to buy, and they look for a review video. And I make a good review video, and people can come on and I tell them about the product. I tell them what they're about to get. I show them behind the paywall what it's going to look like when they sign up, talk about it, and say, hey, if you want to use my link to buy this, it's down below. And a lot of times I'll give them a bonus offer. I'll say, if you use my link, I'll also give you whatever, a quick start guide, a 3-video quick start guide, a free website template, you name it. Like, I've tried it all, right? But I give them something free. I give them something of value to use my link. Use my link, I'll give you this thing. So, brings me to Skool, the Skool community. And I'm an affiliate for Skool, right? I haven't signed up a lot of people on Skool because, as you can see, I just signed up for Skool 2 months ago. Okay, but I want to tell you why I signed up for Skool and why it's already making me money, although I haven't signed anybody up as an affiliate to join Skool. Okay, but I promote other products in the real estate space. That's my main niche, okay, real estate. So I have a product in real estate, and I wanted to create something as a bonus to help promote that thing. It's a software where you can look up property owners, and in that information, in that data, it has email addresses. So I wanted to teach people how to use those email addresses to reach out to homeowners, right? So you can email homeowners, say, hey, are you interested in selling your house? All right. So I was going to put a course together as a free bonus, right? Sign up for this product. I'll give you my course to show you how to use the email data. Now stick with me here. So, but I knew if I did a course like that, I would get a lot of people emailing me saying, hey, I need your help. I have questions or whatever. So I thought, how can I fix this problem? Well, what I could do is start a community and have the course in the community. So people sign up for the community, pay me monthly to be in the community, and then they can ask me all the questions they want because they're paying me to be there, right? So that's what I did. I set up Real Estate Inbox Leads is my group that I set up 2 months ago, okay? And within the group, I have a classroom that has my course in it. Now, the great thing about this, because I'm an affiliate marketer, is within that course, they need to sign up for a couple of other pieces of software to do this cold email strategy. And the links in the course to sign up for the software are also my affiliate links. So I'm not only making money off the main product that I'm selling, the lead software product, but I'm also making money off the cold email product and another product that I get paid on monthly, right? So let's break down the numbers. How much am I making on this after just 2 months, okay? So let's hop back here to Skool and go into my settings, and I'll show you. So in Skool right now, I have 59 members. And that is making me $1,700 a month in reoccurring revenue. So every month I get $1,700, right? They pay out weekly depending on when people signed up. So every week I'm getting a few $100 every single week off of 59 people. And then in the next week or two, I'm doing a big webinar to promote this more. And my goal is by the end of June to have it to over 100 people and to continue to grow it over however long this is a good strategy, but I'm going to keep growing it. My goal is to get it to where this community is making me over 20 grand a month between people paying me membership fees to be in the group and off the software that I'm promoting. All right, but just in Skool right now, I'm making $1,700 a month. Okay, now let's look at the two other affiliate softwares that I'm promoting in here as I'm doing this. The first one's MailScale. I've already made $1,000 from MailScale, and this is also recurring monthly revenue. The other one is Instantly, and I've already earned $892 from Instantly. You can see where I'm going with this. The Skool community not only lets me get paid for having members, but I can also create a course, and in that course have affiliate links for other products. Now I'm solving a problem here. People want to know how to, in the real estate business, they want to know how to generate leads. They want to know how to use it doing cold email. And I'm showing them. It's a great community, and I'm giving them a lot of knowledge, and I'm giving it to them pretty inexpensive, $30 a month or $29 a month to be in my group. That's inexpensive. I could charge $100 a month to be in this group, but I like to give value. And my real intent was to get people to sign up using my affiliate links. So the money I'm making off of the group is just a bonus, right? Not to mention, and I didn't show you those numbers, but not to mention the money that I'm making on my primary product, the lead software product. But I'm not going to show you those numbers because it's I have a lot of other people that have signed up for it outside of the Skool community. So the numbers would throw you off. But with that aside, this group is already making me over 2 grand, getting close to 3 grand a month in reoccurring revenue, and I've only had it for 2 months, and I haven't really pushed it that hard yet. All right, so here's where I'm going with this. If you have some knowledge about something, right? If you've done something in your life and you know more about it than other people, then you could potentially do this thing too. Create a group and show other people how to do it. Make a course, build a community, do a weekly Zoom meeting. Say, hey, for $30 a month or for $50 a month or $100 a month, I'll show you how to do this thing that I know how to do, that there's probably a million other people that want to know how to do it. Or if you don't have something like that in your life, say, David, I don't have anything I know. I have no knowledge whatsoever. One, I don't believe that. But two, do you have a hobby? Do you have something that you're really interested in that you could show people to do or that you could teach people to do? Do you have something that you could go spend 30 days learning and then teach other people how to do it? Right? I just learned how to do it. Now I want to show you and build a community around that where you could charge people to be in your community. It's very powerful. Very powerful. Okay? So I just wanted to make this video and throw this idea out to you. If you want to try out a Skool group, they have a free trial and you can hop in and check it out. I'm an affiliate marketer, so I'm going to say use my link right below this video. Sign up for Skool, check it out. You're going to, one, it's easy to use. You're going to love it, and it can make you a lot of money. Okay. So hope you enjoyed this video. I'll make some more soon. And until then, have a good one. Talk to you.